Hi friends, welcome to G Prashant YouTube channel. Good morning everyone, have a nice day. Today we are going to discuss about some more important problems on concepts of percentage, and it is very useful for Gurukul and Navodaya like that examinations. Say 10% of 100. So 10% of 100 means say 10.0 is a 10% of 100 plus 15% of 150 means 15%. I am writing 10% plus 5%. I am splitting like this into how much? 150, isn't it? Now this becomes 10 plus, so 10% into 150 plus now 5% into 150, isn't it? But 10 plus 10% of 150 means 15.0 plus 5% means half of this 10%, half of this 10%, that means 7.5, isn't it? Now this becomes 10 plus 15 plus 7.5. So 10 plus 15 means 25, 25 plus 7 means 32, isn't it? 32. Put a decimal. After a decimal, what is there? 5. So this is the answer. It is in shortcut method. But do an actual method. I mean traditional method. In traditional method, 10% of 100 plus 15% of 150. So 10%, that means 10 into 100 by 100. This 100 cancel plus this 15, that means 15 into 150 by 100. This 0 cancels, isn't it? Now 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Now this is 10 plus 2 1s are 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. So that becomes 7.5 into 3. 3 5s are 15, 5, 1 is carry. 3 7s are 21 plus 2 plus 1, sorry, 22. So after a decimal, how many digits? From count from right to left. So put a decimal there, means 22.5. This becomes 22.5. Add these two, we get the 2 plus 0 means 2. 2 plus 1 means 32. After a decimal there is only one digit, that is 5. In shortcut method also 32.5. Same answer we get, isn't it? Next question. 25% of 200 and 15% of 300. 25% means I am taken 2 into 10% plus next 5%. 2 tens are 20 plus 5. So 25% can be splitted like this, isn't it? Now 15% can be splitted 10% plus 5%. Understood? So see here, 2 into 10%, that means 2 into here 20.0. This is the 10% plus 5% means half of 10%, that means 10 only, 10.0, isn't it? So half of 10%, that means 5. What is the symbol? Minus, subtraction. Now 10% of 300, 10% of 300 means 30.0. Next this minus as it is continued, isn't it? Now 5% means half of 10%, that means 15. 13 half means 15. Now 2 twos are 4. How many zeros? Only single zero. Plus 10. After a decimal 0. 0 does not have a value, so that's why we can neglect. Now this 30 minus 15, that becomes how much? 4 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, right? And 0 plus 5 means 5, 45, isn't it? So addition of these means 50. 40 plus 10 means 50 minus 45. What we get final is 5. So this is the answer. Now go through in traditional method, isn't it? So in traditional method, see, 25% of 200 minus and next 15% of 300, isn't it? This is the question actually. 25% means 25 into 200 divide with 100. So these cancel. So 25 twos are how much? 50, isn't it? Now here 15 into 300 by 100. This cancels, isn't it? So 25 twos are how much? 50, isn't it? Minus 15 threes are how much? 45. So 50 minus 45, what we got? 5 is the answer of this question. Now move to next question. That means this one. See, this 45% can be split as 4 into 10% plus 5%. So 4 10s are 40, 40 plus 5 means 45. And this 25% can be split as 2 into 10% plus 5%, isn't it? Like that. So 4 into 10%, that means 4 into 10% of 126 means 12.6 plus 5% means half of 10%. So 12 off means 6 decimal, 6 off means 3. Next, what is the symbol here? Plus, take the plus as it is. Now 2 into 10%. So 2 into 10% of 90 means 9.0, isn't it? Now plus 5% means half of 10%, that means half of 9 means 4.5, isn't it? Now see here, 4 6 are 24, 4 2 is there. Now 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, 0, put 0, 1 is there. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 means 5. So multiplication of this is over. After a decimal point, how many digits are there? Single. So from right to left, put a decimal point. After a decimal point, only one digit, that means 4 here, plus 6.3 as it is you can write. Why there is no multiplication here? So 2 nines are how much? 2 into 0, 0. Put your decimal. 2 nines are how much? 18. Plus this 4.5, write as it is. Now add all these, we get the answer quickly. See here, 50.4, this means 6.3, this means 18.0, this means 4.5. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4 means 12. 2, take the carry, put a decimal point. So 1, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 1, 19. 9, 1 is carry once again. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1 means 7. So 79.2 is the answer of the given question. In traditional approach, 45 into 126 by 100 plus next 25 into 90 by 100. This 0 cancels, but here 250s are 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, isn't it? Now 2 25s are leave it leave 2 25s are okay, but this becomes 2 2s are 4. Yes, 2 2s are 4. Once again 2 2s are 4. Next one is there, 2 5s are 10, isn't it? So this should be 22.5 into how much? 63 by 25, and plus this becomes 5 2s are 10, sorry, 5 2s are 10, this means 5 5s are 25, that means 5 into 9 by 2, isn't it? Now once again 2 1s are here, 2 2s are 2.5, so 22.5 into 63 by 25 plus 2.5 into 9. So see here, whenever the round figures, I mean 200 300 like that numbers are not given, the problem should be going to very complicated in traditional method, but in shortcut method this is so simple, isn't it? See here, I am creating this 225 into 63 into multiplying and dividing with 10, so like that nothing is I am writing here. So in the denominator 25 into 10, so see here 5 5s are 25, isn't it? Here 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45, so this becomes 9 into 63 by 10 plus this can be written as 25 into 9 by 10. Why I am creating like this means taking the LCM is so simple. So both are having a denominator values are 10, isn't it? Now see here also take the 9 is common. So 9 next 63 plus 25 inside and 10, isn't it? So 63 25 addition of these two 8 8, so that becomes 9 into 88 by 10, isn't it? So now multiply 88 into 9, 9 8 is 72, 2 7 is the 9 8 is 72, 72 plus 7 means 79, so 792 by 10. Now 1 0 is there, after a decimal point 1 digit is compulsory, so 2 goes in forward direction and a decimal comes in reverse direction, that becomes 79.2. This is the final answer, isn't it? So in traditional method we got the 79.2 is the answer, isn't it? See here, in shortcut method also we got the 79.2, answer is same, but the process is different, isn't it? If you like this video, please share and subscribe it. Click on bell icon for regular updates. I did any mistake in this video, please apologize me. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all who are supporting to me.